Hey guys, it's Shreya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys an unboxing of the Vanity Planet spin brush. So this is the one I got. I got the Ultimate Skin Spa. I think the original price is about like $125, $130, but they always have discount codes that bring the prices down like a lot. I got mine for $50 after the tax and the shipping prices. So it ended up being only $50 so you get the spin brush and then you get 3 brush heads. You get a daily cleansing brush, an exfoliating brush, and a silicone brush. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys. I'm so excited. So I got the blue one. So this is what it looks like. It comes in a little like box, like a traveling box. And it comes in blue, purple, and pink. I know I should have got the pink one because that's like my favorite color, but I've been more attracted to like the blues and purples. I don't know why, but yeah, maybe my favorite color is gonna change. We'll see. So this is, let me take it off. This is the spin brush. So it runs on AA batteries, so you have to buy your own batteries. It doesn't come with batteries. So yeah, you just turn this little thing and then you put the batteries right in the middle. And then this is the button to turn it on. So there's 2 different settings. There's a low and a high. And yeah, so I'm going to show you the brush heads. I already used this one, but this is the, what's it called? This is the daily cleansing brush. So that the daily cleansing brush is like more gray. Yeah, so this one's more gray in the middle. And yeah, so they're really soft to your hand, but I noticed when I used it for the first time it was a little rough. I'm not used to cleansing my face with the brush. I usually use my hands, and before I didn't even like wash my face, but I'm like recently into my skincare routine. So this brush at first I feel like was really rough. I'm going to show you guys like all the brush heads and how I feel about them when after I film this part. I'm going to go to the bathroom and wash my face because I really need to. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys. So this one ended up being too rough, so I didn't even wash my face with this one. Oh shoot, this one yesterday. And you just like pop them on and off like that. So I actually ended up using this brush. So this brush is the silicone brush. So this is like gentle bristles for more sensitive skin. And maybe that's what I have, like sensitive skin. I used it definitely on the low setting. And it felt really nice. You just can't press really hard, otherwise it's too rough on my face, I guess. So this one is the exfoliating brush. So I'm scared it's like, it feels really soft to touch. Like, don't get me wrong, it is really soft to touch. But your face is like way more sensitive than your hand. So if you think about when you put it on your face, oh, this one's actually pretty soft. Maybe it was just the first time I used it. I just have to break them in because that one feels rough. I mean, that one feels softer than this one. No, they do feel really soft. I don't know. They feel soft on my face, but when I got it wet, it felt a little rough. Maybe I used it wrong. Maybe I'm not supposed to get it like completely wet. Am I? Just get my face wet and then do it? I'm going to try that and see if that works, because when I got it fully wet and put it on my face, it felt a little rough. Not going to lie. But overall, I did clean my face really well. The silicone brush is really nice. So yeah, I cleaned my face with this one last night and I thought it was really nice. My skin was clean. It felt clean. And then I'm going to show you guys like the products and stuff that I use after I wash my face. And the face wash that I use. So let's go to the bathroom and see how this brush works. Okay, so now I'm in my bathroom and we are going to test out this Vanity Planet spin brush. I'm going to use the silicone one just because this is my favorite one, I think. So yeah, this is I have to bend down because I made a tripod and I can't find any more boxes to make it higher. So I'm going to be using this face wash. So this is from the Soap and Glory. I told you guys I really wanted to get this and now I have it. So yeah, it's for all skin types. Right now I really like it. It's nothing too crazy, it's just face wash, so it works really well. I'm just gonna use this. And I like to wash my face with cooler water. I don't like hot water on my face. I like between cool and warm. I don't know if you guys feel that way. Like sometimes warm water is too warm. I guess so. Yeah, let's start. It actually feels really gentle. I think my skin just had to get used to it because I've never used like a spin brush before on my face. So it's kind of like a shock texture or a shock like feeling on my face, I guess. But right now it feels so nice. Oh, this is good. This is a low setting too. Oh yeah, this feels way better. I think I'm supposed to not wet the brush. You're supposed to just wet your face and then apply your face wash. So that's what I probably messed up on last time. I'm gonna retry this daily cleansing brush again because last night it was kind of rough, so we'll see. Ooh. So yeah, this one does still kind of, let me wash my face before I get this in my eyes, hold on. Okay, so the daily cleansing brush does feel a little more rough on my face. It's not like super rough, but I feel like it's too rough for my face. So I do like the silicone brush way better. So I recommend if you guys get that. Well, it comes with all three of those brushes, but if you were to buy, I don't know if you could buy it just with the one and then you get to choose a brush, but if you do, I would prefer the silicone brush. That's my favorite one. It's good for sensitive skin. And then now I'm going to show you guys what I apply on my face after, because I do need a moisturizer after I wash my face. So the first thing I use is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So I just do 1 pump of this and apply it all over my face. So I'm going to do that right now. Oh, this is hard. I have to like squat down. So I just do 1 pump. Girl, this stuff is expensive. You do not want to waste it. So this stuff smells so good. And I just apply that all over my face. And then sometimes I would do this and then just apply my makeup on after. Just depending on how I'm feeling. So I'm just going to do that. And then the next product, I do like to use this one at night. So this is the Oil-Free Acne Moisturizer. Pink grapefruit. So this one is really inexpensive. It's about like $5-6 at Target. So yeah, I really like this one, and I usually do 1 pump of that also. And you could apply that straight on top of that. So that watermelon one, you could use it as a moisturizer, or you could even use it as a like serum. So yeah, there's different ways you could use it. I need like products that are very moisturizing just because my skin is more dry. So I also like to use this. So this is the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. So I like to spray this on before I do my makeup, and I like to do it after my makeup. I like to do it when I just need a refreshing. So yeah, this stuff is really nice. It smells so good. All these products smell really, really good. Spray a little, and then I usually like fan something on it just to let it sink in, and that's basically it. So I'm really loving this spin brush. I do like the silicone brush better, so I most likely will be using this brush. I think the other ones are a little too rough for my face. Okay, so that is what I have to say about the Vanity Planet spin brush. That I do prefer the silicone head, and yeah, so the other ones are a little rough on my face. That's the reason why. I've heard that this brush is a dupe for the Clarisonic one, which is the Clarisonic one is like $100, and I don't know, I've never used the Clarisonic one, and yeah, that's the first time I'm using this one. You get this little box and you could just place everything back in the box when you're finished using it. And I think that's just so convenient because sometimes you don't know where to like put these things, or if you're traveling somewhere, like this is so easy to just take. And you don't have to worry about everything getting wet. It's just a nice little box. And yeah, so yeah, if you guys want to order one of these, I'll leave the link down below. And yeah, they usually have deals on, so look out for those. And I don't have a code because this video is not sponsored. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!